from BarberMcMurry Architects. Welcome to a virtual tour of the new Knox Regional Health Science Education Center. This facility accommodates programs for both Roane State Community College and TCAT Knoxville, in addition to hosting a state-of-the-art simulation center. As we walk through the main entrance, we'll enter a 3-story atrium which allows natural light into the center of the building and visually connects the floors. This tiered seminar room is one of 2 such spaces, intended to have a variety of functions such as classes, continuing education, and community events. Small nooks throughout the building are created for students to relax between classes. Crossing the atrium, we arrive at the simulation center, which will immerse students in real-world scenarios to elevate their training. The center has 4 meeting rooms used for briefing and debriefing. Lockers and changing areas. Reception desk. We're now entering the simulation area itself. This area is modeled on a hospital corridor. Work areas for nursing and staff. There are several rooms for simulating patient care settings, each with control rooms for observing the student interactions. On the rear of each of these rooms, there is access to a large staging area where furniture and equipment can be swapped out for different scenarios. The largest of the simulation rooms is flexible for setups such as operating rooms and multi-patient scenarios. Toward the end of the hall are emergency medical areas. The ambulance bay. Patients can be brought through this entrance or the decontamination shower to the left. A 2-story simulated apartment allows teams to learn how to respond to a variety of domestic situations. This office area supports the simulation center operations. A back entrance into the simulation center keeps staff, and standardized patients separated from trainees. To the right, we'll see the courtyard, which acts as a gathering space for students and faculty. Arriving back at the central atrium. A registration desk is located in this central area. Student lounge with vending machines. This open stair connects all 3 floors. The second floor contains the majority of the TCAT classrooms, labs, and offices, in addition to student lounge areas. This TCAT Nursing Skills Lab is sized to accommodate 12 beds. There are 3 such labs on this floor. We now continue to the 3rd floor, which contains the majority of Roane State classes, labs, and office spaces. This nursing classroom fits over 70 students. Across the hall is one of the nursing skills labs with areas for equipment, beds, casework, and presentations. We hope you've enjoyed this tour of only a few of the spaces planned for this facility. At over 130,000 square feet, the building will include many programs such as nursing, EMS, polysomnography, respiratory therapy, cardiovascular technology, healthcare administration, public health, dental assisting, phlebotomy, and surgical technology.